Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight, we're going to show you how to make a quick dish or quick dinner in the microwave. So be sure and come back and join us. Are you sitting down after a hard day's work and you want to make dinner, but you just don't want to heat up the oven or you just don't want to heat up the stove? Well, Pampered Chef has got a great item for you and a set of items, and it is our micro cookers. That's right, micro cookers. They cook in the microwave. So we have a 1 quart, a 2 quart, and a 3 quart size. They all come with lids, and the 3 quart size comes with a boil over protector. So great for the other night. I was thinking about, I needed to make rice for a dish, and I'm like, I'm just not going to make that dish because rice just takes too long. I want to make brown rice, takes too long, don't want to mess with it, don't want to hassle. And I thought, wait a second, I got the micro cooker. So I pull out the micro cooker, learned a new way to make brown rice. I'd never made it this way, but it turned out perfectly cooked and tender in 30 minutes. So all I had to do, and I'm going to show you here, is use my micro cooker and a simple brown rice recipe. So here's what we're going to do this evening. So all I'm going to do is take 1 cup of brown rice. I'm going to pour that in my micro cooker. Okay, 3 cups of water. Using my Pampered Chef measuring cup. This is a 4-cup measuring cup. It'll go up to 3 cups, and you can see the measurements on the inside, so I can look real easy and see how much I'm measuring. So I'm going to add 3 cups of water to my micro cooker, and that's almost it. All I've got to do is put on my lid. So I'm going to put on my boil protector that just slides right into the micro cooker, and then the lid slides on and clips on the edges. And that's it. You can cook vegetables, you can cook pasta, you can cook rice, you can cook anything you might want to cook in the microwave. This is a great way to do that. Now, for the brown rice recipe, all we're going to do is we're going to cook this for 10 minutes without the lid on full strength. So I'm going to take the lid off, and we're going to cook that for 10 minutes in the microwave. And then we're going to come back, and we're going to go 20 minutes on half strength. I know it sounds weird, but it cooks the rice perfectly. And I read a little bit about, the science behind cooking brown rice and getting it soft and and it works out perfect. So I'm going to slide this in the microwave for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put a lid on it and do it for 20 minutes, and we'll come back and I'll show you the final result. And we're back. Our brown rice is done in the microwave. Oh, I'm going to have a little fork here to kind of pull out my boil over protector. Ooh, nice and hot, but ooh, perfect. The water, the 3 cups of water, the 1 cup of rice. See if I can show you here. But made a great batch of brown rice. These micro cookers will be perfect for a college student in a dorm. You got the 1 quart, the 2 quart, the 3 quart. They can do all of their cooking without having to have a hot plate or stove or oven or anything like that. You can do all kinds of great cooking here. Not to mention at your home when you want to do things quick. I'm going to taste our brown rice here real quick. It's nothing special. I'm getting ready to put it in another recipe, so I didn't really flavor it or do anything with it. But perfect texture. A lot of times when you cook brown rice, it's still a little crunchy. It doesn't get quite done. And I think what helps this is the method. Using the 10 minutes on full power, the 20 minutes on half power, it turns out just perfect. So anyway, take a good look at our micro cookers. Join us back too. Be sure and subscribe, like, share, subscribe. Our next video is going to use this brown rice in a different recipe. So be sure and come back and join us. Thanks for joining us here with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob.